natutugunan nila yung mga malilit na pangangailangan ng community na dapat LGU siguro yung unang magpa-prioritize, no? Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janelle.
I'm Lali!
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang Beauty with a Purpose ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024. And we know it's super late, but this time is Miss Pangasinan, Nikki Buenafe.
Yes!
Yes, kasi isa siya sa mga top 10 na Beauty with a Purpose finalists. And this video, by the way, we wanted to shout out yung nag-request, nag-DM talaga siya sa page, si Jared Sagon. Sabi niya,
hello po! Reaction video naman po kay Miss World Pangasinan.
So ito naman, actually nasilip natin or bago natin gawin to, tiningnan muna natin
actually,
kung worthy yung...
Na-curious din tayo kasi nga it's out of our radar currently dun sa mga sets nung...
Pero sinilip nga natin yung kanyang Beauty with a Purpose na yung mismong video and then nakita natin na maganda to, maganda yung ano niya, advocacy niya. It's something na basic need siya. So, parang...
Baka mamaya ka na mag-react kasi baka masabi mo na.
Hindi. Actually, it's a basic need siya kasi parang pagmamahal ko sa'yo.
Ay, basic need mo.
Too big. Ganon. So, ayan, without any further ado, let's watch this.
I want you all to imagine a classroom where the promise of knowledge and education is overshadowed by thirst, poor sanitation, and poor hygiene. Sadly, this is a reality for children in our communities. And that is...
Na-experience mo yun?
Yung...
Na-experience ko yun dati nung elementary ako. No. Like, poor sanitation and poor yung sa bathroom. Like, before... Ang poor talaga nung elementary ko before. Sa true, like, yung hinukay lang, tapos basta, yung makikita mo pa yung dumi doon, ganun.
Hindi kasi sa Luzon naman, in fairness doon, yung mga ganung basic, provided na din.
No, hindi lahat kasi dito Pangasinan
hindi, I mean,
sabihin na
hindi sa buong Luzon, but doon sa part
sa mga urban, medyo urban.
Sa mga city siguro.
Oo. City ka kasi ako.
Saka ba?
Mariela del Barrio.
My advocacy. Danong Pundasyon na Pilay in Pangasinan, which translates to water, foundation of life. I found this community because I once started with giving basic educational needs to underprivileged learners in low-income areas in their elementary schools. Because I wanted to help, but
galing din mo salita, no? And then pretty din.
Articulate din.
All over their hair. And I asked the teachers...
Yun yung sabi natin na nasasayangan tayo sa mga beauty queens na galing Pangasinan kasi yung caliber nila mataas din talaga. High standard din sila. Kaso I think nagmamatter na lang dun sa handler, dun sa regional director na walang
kumbaga yung resources na kailangan para ma-boost kumbaga yung...
Tsaka gumawa ng ingay yung name ng candidate na yun. Medyo kulang.
And they told me it was due to the lack of clean, potable water. I thought to myself, I came here to donate school supplies, but how can I expect these children to pursue education when they don't even have the basic means to live? And so, with the help of my fellow advocates, I was able to donate a deep well of 21 pipes.
Nice.
So that with that, they can address their life situation, their health and hygiene problems, and sanitation issues. You know, giving or providing clean, potable water to communities is not just a charitable cause, but a fundamental investment we should make for the future of education and for social progress.
Correct.
Education, like water, should be accessible to all. Because as water is life, education is also a right. I believe that we can do more. We must do more. Maraming salamat.
Ang
Grabe,
ganda.
galing nung ano niya, explanation niya.
Tsaka maganda yung advocacy niya. It's a basic need nung kabataan and it leads to progress. Doon magsa-start sa maliit na ano. Katulad din niya ng pagre-resolve ng isang social issue, it should start in the first place sa basic unit. Diba? Which is
sa akin, parang what I like dun sa presentation niya is that she put it a proper, kumbaga, explanation yung mga bagay-bagay.
Children are the future, and with quality education, any dream of theirs is possible.
Pangarap kong maging doktor,
Maging architect,
maging president ng Pilipinas.
Pangarap ko maging doktor!
But what if these children lack their basic needs? Would quality education still be possible? Could we still expect them to reach their dreams? This is the reality for the children of Barangay Pototan, where the community lacks clean, potable water.
Napakahirap ang tubig dito kasi pag nagluluto kami, medyo malat-alat yung pangugas ng kanin. Binabal namin ng mineral water.
Paglalaba kami, dito na rin kami maliligo, pero nililinis na namin pag tag-ulan. Wala na talaga yan, lalo itong tag-init.
Hindi po sila masyadong nakapag-focus sa kanilang pag-aaral dahil marami po silang puto. Tapos dahil sa kawalan din ng tubig, parang minsan yung mga bata nagkaka-allergy.
First went to Pototan Elementary School. My intentions were to donate school supplies through my organization, Duyan ng Aruca. Because I heard that they were one of the schools here in Pangasinan. But when I got there, I noticed that they had lice all over their hair. And I was told that this was because of the lack of clean, potable water. The children didn't just suffer in learning, but also they had health-related problems.
Like, kudos talaga sa gantong klaseng platform ng pageantry na, alam mo yun, mas natutugunan nila yung mga malilit na pangangailangan ng community na dapat yung LGU siguro yung unang magpa-prioritize nun or makakita nun, di ba?
Oo. Ang ganda nga kasi, di ba, parang during the competition parang nagiging voice na sila ng community. Hindi katulad ng iba na, if I will win this, I will use this platform to share the voice of the community. Ito talagang ginagawa na nila.
And at least, kahit na maliit na bagay man yan, at least na materialize or kumbaga, it's working. It's a work in progress ba?
And so I remember asking myself, I came here to donate school supplies, but how can I expect these children to thrive in education when they don't even have the basic means to live?
Wala po kaming malinis na inumin na tubig dito sa aming barangay. Kasi mahirap hanapin, kailangan talaga yung deep well siya na gagamitan mo pa siya ng 21 pipes para makuha mo yung may inom na tubig.
Ang lalim! Kasi napapalibutan din yan talaga ng salt water, di ba? Yung Binmali na area.
200 students and more than 150 families. In line with the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, we aim to advance quality education SDG 4 through the Sustainable Clean Water and Sanitation Initiatives, SDG 6. There are millions of children out there who dream of pursuing education.
Siya lang yung nakadiscuss nun.
Yet because of a lack of basic needs like water, this dream of theirs is hindered. I hope through this I could inspire organization, corporation, and citizens to work together to support schools in marginalized communities. Because when we come together to support our children, every Filipino's dream is possible.
Nice. Ayan. Ang ganda. And thank you so much kay Jared Sagon for the suggestion, for the request na mag-react tayo dito. And we are so happy kasi, kumbaga, kahit na hindi ganun ka-complex yung kanyang advocacy, you can do something as simple as this na, diba, na it's a life-changing to many future generations, mga kinabukasan ng barangay na yon, hindi natin alam ng municipality or baka sa city level or baka national level pa nga, diba? Dahil sa mga dreams nila na kung matutugunan yung kanilang mga basic needs, magagampanan nila at for sure ay maaabot nila yung kanilang mga dreams.
Mga dreams nila.
Yun lang.
Yun nga, na sabi mo as basic as providing water, pero ito yung talaga yung kumbaga, napag-isipan talaga eh. Parang gusto ko na, kumbaga, nag-dig deep siya rather than yung, di ba, yung kunento niya nga na pumunta lang siya para magbigay ng mga materials pero na found out niya na ganito pala na ang very strong case na paano nga sila matutulungan kung yung basic need nila hindi man napoprovide.
Tsaka meron pang yung intention niya talaga, may nakita siya na mas kailangan. Which is, yun nga, paulit-ulit na basic talaga yun na name. So guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa naang video. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching us. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!